Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, everyone, we are making pepper chicken. You all know the weather is super cool for those of you outside Nigeria, so we need something spicy to keep the body warm. And so I'm sharing with you my pepper chicken recipe. Exactly what you see on the screen. It's simple and so easy to make, so affordable. When was the last time you had this? This is so yummy and it goes well with your wine and it can be served to your guests. So to start with, I have 1 kilo of soft chicken, and to marinate, I blend 1 bulb of onions, 2 cloves of garlic, half thumb of ginger, and dried parsley, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, all mixed together in the pot, and I will allow to cook for 20 to 30 minutes on a medium flame. And after that, our chicken is ready, so I will go ahead and marinate or grill for this for 40 minutes. Keep watching while that is aside, everyone. In a clean pot, I add my vegetable oil and then 1 chopped onions, and then I'll go ahead with my already blended onions and scotch bonnet pepper. So I added 2 onions to blend, 2 bulbs of onions to blend this, and I will add this to fry on a low heat just for 10 to 15 minutes, everyone. Keep watching, it's almost ready. And don't forget, you are to blend this very rough. As you can see, it is very rough on the screen. Rough blending, not smooth, not too rough. And then you go ahead to fry this on a low flame with a little oil for just 15 minutes and you're good to go. Next, I will begin to add my already grilled chicken, everyone, into the spicy sauce. And keep watching. So after adding, the next thing is to mix this on a low flame. Mix so it blends very well with the pepper sauce, and allow to heat for 5 minutes so the spicy pepper sauce gets into your chicken and it is ready. Everyone, I told you this sauce, this is a very simple recipe, but believe me, it is super yummy. The pepper goes into your chicken very well, and it is very good for those of you who live in country where the weather is super cool. This is very good to keep your body warm. So I'm going to transfer this into a clean plate. Get it ready to be served. You can add some veggies to it: cucumber, some green pepper, some fresh tomato. The choice is yours, but it is ready to be served. It goes well with any drink of your choice: red wine, sweet wine, whatever drink you would want to eat it with. So everyone, thanks so much for watching. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and share my videos to your friends and families. For how I blend my pepper to be very super rough, I will leave a link on the description box. Alright, stay safe and stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.